Okay, now let's go to the next question. Second one, state whether the following statements are true. If not, then give an example in support of your answer. So we have to see whether the statement are true or false. If not, if false, we have to justify the answer. Okay, so first question is, if P upon Q is greater than R upon S, then the absolute value of P upon Q is also greater than the absolute value of R upon S. We have to see. Okay, so this is the question. So the answer is what? False. Okay, the reason, let's see with the help of an example. If I take any number P upon Q as minus 4 upon 5. Okay, and here P upon Q is greater, so this must be greater. Okay, so this is greater, say minus 7 upon 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 7, right? So minus 4 upon 5 is greater than minus 7 upon 5. Okay, then we have to show that in the absolute value, will it be greater? So if I put this minus 4 upon 5 in the absolute value, okay, so what answer I will get? 4 upon 5, right? Minus 4 upon 5, I have put in absolute value. So I will get positive 4 upon 5. And same R upon S is what? Minus 7 upon 5 in the absolute value. So I will get 7 upon 5. So if we compare this both, 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 5, who is greater here? 7 upon 5 in the positive. Both are positive, so 7 upon 5 becomes greater. But here what was there? Minus 4 upon 5 was greater. So that is why the answer is false. Okay. P upon Q greater than R upon S, but in absolute value, it's not compulsory that it will be greater. It can be less also. So the answer is false. Okay. Okay, next question. If absolute value of x is equal to absolute value of y, both are equal. Okay, absolute values are equal. Then will only x and y will be equal? We have to find it out. Let's see. Okay, so we have wrote the question. So with example, we will see if I put minus 2 upon 5 in the absolute value, x minus 2 upon 5, and it is equal to what? Here I will put 2 upon 5. Because minus 2 upon 5 absolute value will become what? 2 upon 5. Okay. Minus 2 upon 5 absolute value is what? 2 upon 5. So that is equal to this, right? According to the question. So when we put, then x is equal to y. Only x and y we are going to. So what is only x? Minus 2 upon 5. Okay. And what is y? 2 upon 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, so then x is not equal to y, and they have mentioned s equal to y. So answer is false. Okay. Next question. P upon Q is a non-zero rational number, means it is a rational number in where there is no zero in this. Okay, and it is in standard form. It is necessary that the rational number Q upon P, means we have inversed Q upon P, will also be in standard form. Okay, P upon Q is in standard form. So if we reverse it, Q upon P, so then too it will be in standard form. We have to explain that. First of all, what are the properties of a standard form? The denominators are positive. In standard form, the denominator should always be positive. Okay, so let's see P upon Q. We can take an example, say minus 5 upon 6. So this is in standard form. See, the denominator is positive, and next both the number doesn't go in any table. Okay, they go only in one table. Okay, so this is a proper standard form. So if we reverse it, Q by P, it will become what? 6 upon minus 5, right? Here the 5 has a negative sign, so it is not meeting the criteria of standard form, because in standard form we want the denominator as positive. So here the answer is false. Okay, answer is false. Okay, and you can give any example, say minus 5 upon 6. Okay. Okay, next question is represent 2 1 upon 3 and minus 17 upon 4 on a number line. So let's see. Now 2 1 upon 3. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, so in mixed fraction we multiply this number with the denominator and then we add with the numerator. So 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Okay, what we do, the number in front, we multiply it by denominator. Okay, and whatever answer we get, we add it by the numerator. So we got 7. Okay, now 7 upon 3, so we will show it on a number line. Okay, so this number is positive, so I will take 0 on this side, little bit here. Okay, now I will just draw 1. You can do like this also with the equal distance. Okay, 2 4 6. Okay, I will write this as 1, this as 2, this as 3. You can continue as 4 and also. Now if we see the denominator is 3, so between these how many lines we will draw? 1 and 2. Why? See, after 0 when we count, after 0, this is 1 2 3. So this will be 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, and this will be what? 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3. This will be 3 upon 3. So when we cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are, we get this 1. Understood? So that is why this is 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3. Same way we are going to mark 2 lines in between here also. Okay? So this is after 0 we are going to count 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3, 9 upon 3. Got it? So we want what? 7 upon 3. So we start after 0. 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3. So this is the number. Okay, here 7 upon 3 comes. So instead of writing 7 upon 3, we are going to write 2 1 upon 3. So here it was, I will write 2 1 upon 3. Okay. Got it? Now we will see the next question. Minus 17 upon 4. Okay. So again we will draw a number line. Now if we see, this is what a negative number. Now first of all, this is not a mixed fraction like previous one. This is a normal fraction and it is negative. So we will mark 0 little bit here because we have to show the left side, negative side. Okay. Again what I will do, I will mark here anywhere I will keep, I will mark at a 2 distance. Okay, I will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, now the denominator is 4. So between 0 and 4 we will draw how many lines? We will draw 3 lines. If it is 4, 3 lines. Previously it was 3, so we draw 2 lines. So 4, 3 lines. Why? I will tell you. See, 1, 2 and 3. Because after 0, when we start counting after 0, this 1, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and this is 4 upon 4. This is 4 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 ones. I got minus 1. Got it? So again here 3 lines I will draw. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now I want what? Minus 17 upon 4. So from here I will start counting till it comes 17 upon 4. Okay. So this is what? 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 4, 9 upon 4, 10 upon 4, 11 upon 4, 12 upon 4, 13 upon 4, 14 upon 4, 15 upon 4, 16 upon 4, 17 upon 4. Here I got. Okay. Here you will write minus 17 upon 4. This is an arrow I have put. Minus 17 upon 4. Okay. Okay. Next question, fourth one. Arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. So the rational numbers they have given, we have to arrange it in descending order from big to small. Okay. So we wrote the question. So we are going to make the denominators positive. So first one, already the 10 is positive over here, denominator is positive. So we are going to write it as it is. Next, minus minus sign. the sign gets cancelled. So we get 7 upon 5. Next here 15 has a negative sign, minus sign, so it will go up. It will become minus 9 upon 15. And next one is 18 upon 30. Already it is in positive form. Now next we are going to take out the LCM of the denominators. Okay, as we have to equalize the denominator. So what are the denominators? 10, 5, 15 and 30. Okay, so by 5 we are going to divide. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 6s are 30. So I got 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 will come as it is down, 3 doesn't go into table, so 2 3s are 6. Now I have 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so what is the LCM? 5 into 23, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So what is the LCM? 30. So we have to bring these denominators and we have to make 30 over there in the denominators. So let's see. First I will write minus 3 upon 10. Okay, so in the denominator I want 30. So 10, how much are 30? 10 3s are 30, right? So down I multiplied by 3, up also will multiply by 3. Next 7 upon 5. So 5, how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. So up also will multiply by 6. Next minus 9 upon 15. 15, how much are 30? 15 2s are 30. So up also will multiply by 2. Next 18 upon 30. Now 30 is same, so nothing we have to multiply. It will remain as it is. Now here 3 3s are 9 upon 10 3s are 30 and you have minus sign over here. Okay. Next 7 6 are 42 upon 30. 9 2s are 18 and minus sign we have upon 30, and here we have 18 upon 30. Okay, now in this we have to find out the denominator, so bigger to smaller. So for bigger, first of all we will take the positive numbers. Negative numbers are already small, so in first we will calculate the positive numbers, which in 42 upon 30 and 18 upon 30 are positive numbers. In this, which one is bigger? 42. So the biggest number in all this is 42 upon 30. Okay, so I wrote 42 upon 30, that is greater than. Then next will come 18 upon 30 as it is a positive number. Then comes, now then we will see minus signs. Minus 9 and minus 18, which one is bigger? Minus 9 is bigger. Okay, so minus 9 upon 30 and is greater than minus 18 upon 30. Okay, now here 42 upon 30, where it is? Here. This 42 upon, now here we have to write the questions arranged in as a descending order. Okay, so 42 upon 30 here, where it is this on the second number. So here if we go up, we get minus 7 upon minus 5. So we will write minus 7 upon minus 5. Okay, now next is 18 upon 30. Where is 18 upon 30? Over here. So from here we will go up and you get 18 upon 30. So I will write 18 upon 30 greater than. Then we have minus 9 upon 30. Where it is? Here. So here we will go up the first one, minus 3 upon 10. So I will write minus 3 upon 10 is greater than. Last is minus 18 upon 30. Where it is? Here. So the third number from here, 9 upon minus 15. Okay, so 9 upon minus 15. So in this way we completed this descending order of rational numbers. Okay.